Judges, you can take them and our candidate number one for test so that they can get the test. Or you can take them and keep this score for your evening round.
We see our then coffee candidate partner.
Yes.
In the unique elegant style, wearing the green coat gown. At this point, partner, the most awaited part.
Yes.
We will go, I think, in the center stage.
Yes.
For the question and answer portion.
Yes, this is the question and answer portion, so it will be 25% from the criteria of judging.
And this will go to test not only the beauty, but also the intelligence
Of our lovely candidates. So,
OFW due to poverty.
Thank you. Prepare well emotionally, mentally, legally, and financially. You know your right and set goals and plan to return one day, not for the money, but the vision of your future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please, Rizal Camacho. We call on our candidate number 8, Chuan Karanay.
hello beautiful lady, how are you? So you can pick, please, and give me. Okay, you choose judge number 5, question number 15.
How would you address the issue of climate change and advocate for sustainability?
Yung question nila is ano lang eh. Iba-iba na.
How would you address the issue of climate change and advocate to sustainability practices?
We can change climate change, but climate change by using the 4 R's, which are reuse, reduce, repurpose, and recycle. With these 4 R's, we can make the planet a better change. Thank you.
Thank you, may gusto na smile ng Mother Earth. Okay, so let's proceed to candidate number 9, the darling of the crowd.
Isura Bulaga Yusuf. Okay, you choose the judge.
So sorry. Alright, so you choose judge number 1. Question number 1, please.
What is the most important issue your generation is facing? What is the most important issue your generation is facing?
Caption. Judge.
One of the most common issue our generation facing right now is climate change. As we all see our mountains and our forests now start getting gone because of illegal mining and illegal